Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quarantine clean with me video. You should see my house. It's a complete disaster because that's what happens when you're home all day and you have two kids, and yeah, it's really hard to keep a tidy space. One's a newborn, one's a 4-year-old, so you can only imagine. So I'm going to be doing kind of an overview of how my house looks. It's a little embarrassing, but this is reality. So let me show you what it looks like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin with the cleaning. Alright, so we are going to be cleaning all of the light switches because this is a high traffic area, and any like handles and stuff.
Yeah.
Because we need to disinfect. We have little hands touching the doorknobs and all. We want to make sure they're clean and sanitized. Yeah. And you guys know with the whole virus thing, we want to make sure that we are taking the proper precautions so that everything is clean and we don't have germs, right?
Yeah, but the playground is cute and cute and cute.
You're right, Mama. Where I wanted to talk to you about like little ones, especially if you have like a 3 to 5-year-old, they really want to help you, you guys. So Leilani washes like her little plates, her forks, her spoons, you know, her sippy cups. I would encourage you, all moms, to let your little ones help you out. They want to feel like they have a purpose. So if you do little things, and I'm not saying like overload them with like a ton of work, that's not the point. Yeah, but like her little plates, like she'll wash, and her spoons and her forks. Anyway, so I did want to share that with you guys. This is a great way to help them become, you know, independent, and they start learning you know, the meaning of work and chores and all that, and that's super important. So I did want to mention that really quick.
This is clean like this one.
Yep, it's clean.
Say something. This is bad for you guys when you're doing something when you wasn't do this. I don't know.
I love you. Hi, baby Ruby. I know you guys want to see her. I love this Graco thing, you guys. I'll go ahead and link my Amazon store down below. I have a whole baby favorites listed on there if you guys are interested. But it like swivels for you. And I just keep it here in my living room, and it helps me do like all of my chores, you guys. So it's like a lifesaver. I would highly recommend it, especially if you are a busy mom or you have more children. It does play music. It kind of sounds like Zelda or something. I'm going to be kind of doing a antibacterial cleaner from Dollar Tree. I have my Dollar Tree spray bottle. I did haul this in a Dollar Tree haul. I will go ahead and link it up above in case you missed it. But this is the Pine Glow Ocean Antibacterial and Disinfectant Cleaner. It says kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So right now, I kind of sprayed the table with my, original Fabuloso. I love the smell of this, but I do want to disinfect because of everything that's happening, and I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be kind of spraying the countertops, the tabletops, everything I can wipe, so I disinfect it. And I'm also going to be using this for all of our doorknobs, our light switches, everything that is high traffic that we're constantly touching and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my spray bottle, and we're gonna go ahead and start wiping all of the surfaces down. So yeah, I know you guys loved when I showed this in the haul, so I'm so excited to start using it. And yeah, I am excited. I haven't opened it. I don't know what it smells like, so I want to try that. See if it smells like, does it smell like alcohol or what? Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. I love a clean scent, guys. I really do. So I'm gonna pour it in this spray bottle.
So how is it going, Mommy?
It's going great.
Great? Oh, my fluffy.
It's okay. We have ants everywhere anyway.
Yeah.
I would love to hear some of your disinfectant methods or what you do in your household to keep, your house nice and clean. I would love to know. I've also said my mom used to use the Pine Glow from Dollar Tree for her laundry just to clean it and disinfect it. So I'm probably going to be using a little tiny bit of this in our clothing as well, like our loads, just to make sure that the clothing is sanitized. So yes, so I'm going to go ahead and start spraying the countertops and all of that. Alright, it is time to mop the floors.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be using this LA's Totally Awesome bleach in the lemon scent, and we got that from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to pour about that much, kind of eyeball it. And I did put a little bit of Dawn dish soap in there as well. I wanted to show you guys a package that I received in the mail. I thought this was so sweet, you guys, and I wanted to share it with you. I hope I can share this with you all. Hi, Laura. I was cleaning things and I decided that I was not going to use these poly envelopes. I remembered that you liked them, so I'm sending them to you. I hope all is well with you, Cisco, and your two beautiful girls. You have been blessed with a beautiful family. Diane. So I just thought that was so thoughtful and so generous, you guys. She sent a lot of them. She sent 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that is so sweet. I absolutely love these, you guys. These are poly envelopes from the Dollar Tree, and I love them because they have the binder holes and you can organize your stickers in these. And I just love them. I love them so much, and I particularly like the pink ones. I literally went to like 10, 20 Dollar Trees to find or to look for more, and you know, I wasn't as lucky to find them. So thank you so much, Diane. That is so sweet and so kind and so generous, and it really brightened up my day. So I want to thank you so much. Who does this? Like, just people that like genuinely like watch my videos and would know this. This is so sweet. So I want to give a huge shout out to Diane. I really appreciate it. So there they are. I absolutely love these, you guys. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for cleaning with me today. I know I did take a poll on my YouTube channel to see what kind of videos you'd be interested in watching, and a lot of you surprisingly wanted to see a quarantine clean with me, so I thought I'd share kind of what I do and what works in our family, and hopefully it is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching today and for being part of our channel. I hope you enjoyed. That is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel out a lot. I'll also check out my Instagram over at SparkleOnForever. I'll link a bunch of stuff down in the description box for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye! Wait, Mommy, wait. I'm excited.
You're so excited?
Yeah.
Did you like cleaning?
Yeah.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel and comment below.
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.